main goal of this trip was pretty much to have our students, going to the States, understanding better the process. I do believe that's a big privilege for us to be able to meet in person with the coaches from each university, to talk to the players, to have official tours of the universities. I wanted them to understand, is it the place where I want to keep studying after at the university, or is it something not for me?
Jonathan Da Silva, j'ai 16 ans, j'habite à Saint-Barthélemy et ça fait 2 ans et demi que j'ai étudié à l'Académie Mouratoglou. Plus tard, j'aimerais bien faire ingénieur. Donc je pense que les États-Unis ce serait une bonne option pour que je puisse continuer à jouer au tennis. Parce qu'en France, quand tu fais une école d'ingénierie, tu peux pas trop faire de sport à côté. Alors qu'ici, je pense que je pourrais continuer à faire ce sport.
Merci, bro.
Thibaut de Calvé, I'm 17 years old. I'm from Belgium and I study at the Mouratoglou Tennis Academy in France. I don't really know yet what I would like to study, but that's a good thing in the States actually, because you can come in undecided, and that means that the first 2 years you just finish your general classes that you have to finish, and then you can choose your major that you're going to study for 2 years.
Yes. All right, last one.
Another goal of this trip was to visit different type of divisions. So we visited 4 different universities. We visited Florida Atlantic University, which is a pretty big school in Division 1. We got to see a match over there and to meet also with the coach. They actually play against Stetson University.
C'est quelque chose que vous avez jamais vécu pour l'instant.
Et c'est ça, mais sinon les plus grosses différences que j'ai vues c'est en match. Quand on arrive au début, les matchs c'est vraiment totalement différent. Incroyable.
Madre mia!
Oh, come on. Let's go. Come on.
Oh yeah!
It's huge, really huge. It's good. I feel there's some good vibes here.
Then we went to visit Barry University. This is the place actually where we train every day. The facilities are kind of like incredible, and this is a Division 2 program. So the students also realize that, of course, Division 1, everybody would like to go there, but then they actually realize that Division 2, it's also really, really good. And then we ended up going to the University of Miami. It's a big school, Division 1 program, over 30,000 students. So it was very impressive because they have fantastic facilities over there. Same thing was really nice from the coach because we took some of the time. We had an interview with the coach and also the players. And we actually got to see a match against Miami playing Georgia Tech, 2 top Division 1 schools.
What I'm looking for is I'm looking for the guys that fit the standards that I believe in and I set as a program. So hard work, guys that love tennis, guys that love to play, guys that love to compete, guys that don't have any issues being out here for 3 hours and really doing things that they need to do.
So I think having like a family right away when you come here is really helpful.
The last school we visited was Nova Southeastern University. It's a Division 2 program. They only have a women's tennis team there. But the good thing is we got to see Alexandra Yearley, who used to be tennis players at the academy, and they realized that it was kind of similar of what they were doing at the academy and there. And then again, seeing Alexandra from the academy being in the US, they really see the whole journey.
Je m'appelle Léa Mosché, j'ai 15 ans, je viens de France et j'étudie à la Mouratoglou Tennis Academy. Nova. J'ai vraiment eu un coup de cœur sur celle-ci parce que déjà l'équipe de filles, je trouve qu'elle était vraiment bien. Même le coach, on lui a parlé, il était très ouvert et ça j'ai vraiment apprécié contrairement à des coachs qui sont vraiment stricts. Et en soi le campus, je trouve il était grand, même si c'était une division 2, il était assez moderne et il y avait vraiment beaucoup de monde et tout le monde avait l'air de bien s'entendre. J'hésite entre 2 sujets totalement différents, l'architecture et la médecine. Et Je suis déjà en sport-études, donc je mélange déjà l'école et le sport, mais là c'est vraiment différent et j'adore.
Ici, on encourage vraiment les étudiants à s'engager dans les clubs, les groupes, les organisations.
My name is Shalom Salvi. I'm 16 years old and I come from Italy. And I'm a student athlete at the Muratoglu Tennis Academy. Here it's completely different. You're working as a team. Nobody can be left behind. Everything has to be together and everybody has to push each other and go unitedly.
In general, the positivity that's hanging in the atmosphere is just phenomenal.
We have to think that it's not an individual sport anymore. You play as a team. When you struggle with the team.
But congratulations, it was a good job.
Les séances fitness étaient principalement sur les plages. On s'entraînait, c'était assez intense, on était beaucoup en groupe. Dès que quelqu'un se sentait moins bien, on allait derrière lui, on le motivait. Et ça, je trouve que c'était une très bonne séance.
Well, I think they really lived for a day as a student athlete in the US, practicing early in the morning with a fitness practice, and then moving on to the tennis. We've had the chance to eat at the cafeteria of the campus, which is an opportunity for them to see what it looks like to be a student athlete. Obviously, you have temptations; you can eat whatever you want, but they get to understand that being part of a very sport program, they need to take care of their body, and that's the whole point of the trip, I think, making sure they understand that yes, they are students, but they are most likely athletes and high performance athletes, so they have to take care of the body, and having the chance to meet the players at the end of the day as well made them understand that yes, these guys take care of themselves. They don't do anything without thinking about it.
They didn't know before that was something that was happening in the US a lot, but now seeing it, in the real life and here in the US, it becomes very clear for them that, okay, I understand now what it is to be a student athlete in the US.
Yes! Come on!
I think it's a great initiative from people from the academy to help us, get used to the environment we want to see. Well, it's actually also good to know if you actually want to do this, because you see from the inside.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It was really intense, but we had a lot of fun. We had just been on a long trip and we were all tired with the Jacqueline and everything, but we all pushed each other to improve themselves and to do their best, so that was pretty nice.